Welcome everyone to another rip with 605 Sports Cards. I'm Devin. Today we're going to try something a little different. I have never done these boom boxes. I will put the description down the link if you're interested in ripping any of these. We did 2 of their boxes. There is another higher end one, the Elite. Just not ready to spend that much yet. We did a mid-end football, and these are different every month. So this is the March boxes, and a Platinum. You get a variety pack of hobby packs, and I think maybe like a no-huddle mosaic. You're for sure getting 5 packs, and I believe it says maybe 6 to 10, so they'll throw in some extras. Take some peanuts out of the way. Here's a list of what will be in these. So this one comes with the Phoenix Hobby, some 2021 contenders, 2 Donruss hobby packs, and a Bowman University hobby pack. And maybe we'll have a couple extras. We'll see. So it's a little cheaper way if you want to rip some hobby stuff without having to buy a hobby box. I think this one went for, I think, $80-ish. And they come with a mag case here, 35 points. Hopefully we'll be needing that. So there's our contenders, a Donruss, Bowman Chrome, another Donruss, another Bowman Chrome, and a Phoenix, which I have not ripped any of these Phoenix hobby packs yet, so excited to try them out. Let's do them in that order. I believe you do get an auto out of those contenders, so we'll at least be getting 1 auto for sure out of this one. So I can some packs here. And these boxes are card holders, so you can stash some base away in those, and they're 300 card holders. So also a nice deal to be able to use that and store some base cards to get them out of the way. I have not done any of the Bowman Bowman U's yet, so my first look at them. There's a Stetson Bennett, national champion there. Michael Mayer, Andrew Anthony. Stetson Bennett looks like it might be a silver. See where he goes in the draft coming up in the next month or so. Should be a good draft class for quarterbacks. A lot of them to choose from. Should be going pretty early. Cade Klubnik, Kayshawn Bowden. I don't know what's on that card there. Can't feel it, so it's something in the card. Maybe it's turf. I don't know. Jalen Carter and Xavier Valade. So nothing too exciting out of those. Just that Stetson Bennett there. And some Donruss, which I'm familiar with. Glad to be ripping hobby packs. The retail were brutal. See if we can get one of those hits out of all these packs that come in those. Only 1 auto in it, so there's a Cam Taylor-Britt rookie. Singletary, Fletcher. So a lot of base will come through these, so just got to be on the lookout for any of those full name variations. And a little filler. First parallel is a DeAndre Swift, the Dominators. Nice looking card there. A Desmond Ridder rookie. And the Heiner Ward on the throwback. Second Donruss pack. See if we can find another case hit or something good out of one of these. Sorry about that. I had some issues with the camera, but we're back with the Donruss pack still in our first boom box, second pack of the Donruss. So still getting through that base. And there is a Optic Preview Sky Moore. That's a good looking card there. So there's a nice hit. And a Garrett Wilson Elite Series with a Travis Etienne Jr. with a Quiddy Pay on the back in the red press proof. So not a bad pack there. Going to our contenders. 2021 draft picks. Should find 1 auto in here. A season tickets of Myles Gaskin, Baker Mayfield, Darren Waller, Cam Akers, little Aaron Rodgers there. Gonna do the flip around a lot. Campus Legends, Ezekiel Elliott, Justin Fields, a little bit of Ohio State pack there. Jaden Holland, man, every other card. Trey Sermon, and the auto is probably this Chris Evans here, running back for Michigan. Throw a sleeve on it real quick. So our first auto of this box, with one pack to go. A Teddy Bridgewater on the silver. T. Higgins, Ezekiel Elliott again, a Tom Brady in his Michigan uniform, James Conner, and Dak Prescott. All right, time for the Phoenix, the bigger pack of this box. See if we can get one of the autos that come out of those Phoenix boxes. So there's an Elijah Moore, Jameis Winston, Brian Asamoah. Ooh, we have something here out of 75 is Zamir White. Just a patch. Good looking patch though. Nice colors, and these are probably not going to be worn or anything. No specific game or event, but a nice numbered card there. Out of 75. On the back, we have a color burst of Derek Carr. So we'll sleeve those two up. See if this will fit in there. It's pretty thick. We'll have to cut it. I'll just give it a little slit, make it easier. I'm going to go with the Zamir White. And I believe these color bursts are only one per hobby box, so not the most exciting player to get since he's probably going to be on the move, but little Raiders box pack there. All right, let's get to our platinum. These are running around 140 or 150 if I remember right. We'll get a little more high-end packs. Unit power there. Now this box, we have some rookies and stars. One pack of that, another Phoenix, Illusions, and 2 Donruss. So getting away from the college ones. Another mag case there, 35 point. See what we got for some bonus packs. Those are Donruss. We do get a Chrome and U in here. 2 of them it looks like were added. So we'll start with those. And put the Illusions behind there. All right. Start off with these Chrome and U's real quick. Nice to hit an auto out of some of these. And we're chasing out of these card packs here since they're all coming up. Ty Simpson of Alabama, Drew Allar, and a Bijan Robinson. Tanner Morgan from Minnesota, Graham Mertz, couple 3 QBs in a row, and a Pat Garreau, Boston College. So no big cards out of those. Got some of the quarterbacks coming up in this next draft. We'll look at them. See who you might want to chase, go after. Rip through these base cards. There's not a shortage of them in Donruss. A little filler. And a Fred Taylor. And a Peyton Manning on the throwback. Another Donruss pack. Haven't got the best packs so far. Hopefully we can turn it around with these last few. And time to tear through the base. Another filler. Nice Jalen Hurts with the Dominators. Good looking card. Rated rookie Danny Gray, and another throwback Terrell Davis. Alright, time for the illusions. There are only 10 packs in that, 3 autos, and 2 mem cards, so you have about a 50% chance of getting a hit. Nice Garrett Wilson rookie, Darren Waller, Stephon Diggs, a nice 25 Leonard Fournette, so no auto or mem in this one, but we got a nice numbered card there. And another one for the PC at Emmitt Smith out of 299 on the King of Cards. Let's leave those up after. Another Phoenix pack. There we go. Alright. These Phoenix cards are nice looking. They're Dak Prescott, Trey Lance, Kyler Gordon, a Justin Jefferson, and a Hot Routes Marquise Brown. So no, this one is numbered out of 35, so it's a nice Justin Jefferson. The Hot Routes is not, just an insert. Nice looking card. Our final pack, Rookies and Stars. Have not opened any hobby. Went through a lot of retail, which has been treating me pretty well. So get through our base here. Jonathan Taylor, Antonio Gibson, Aaron Donald, and a backwards card here, Danny Gray out of 49. Nice card. And a Desmond Ridder. Is this going to be an auto? Nope, just a nice stellar rookies. Out of 50, we've been lucky with the Desmond Ridder cards. We're getting a lot of his. Hopefully he gets a chance to show what he can do next year and plays well. We've been pulling a lot of his cards, numbered and an auto. Put those over with the hits here. Nice cards. All right, see what the rest of this pack has for us. Ricky, a standing ovation of Derek Carr showing up again. Jalen Tolbert with the rookie, and Lewis Sign rookie. So fun rip. Nice to have a variety of hobby packs to do. Here we'll go through what we pulled. Nice Danny Gray out of 49 on the True Blue Rookies and Stars. Desmond Ridder Rookies and Stars, Stellar Rookies out of 50. Justin Jefferson from the Phoenix there out of 35. Throw a sleeve on it. Nice insert Marquise Brown. Numbered out of 25 Leonard Fournette from the Illusions. Didn't tear it up with the autographs, but we did get a fair amount of numbered cards. And Emmitt Smith out of 299. A Color Burst Derek Carr. And Zamir White out of 75 on the patch there. So that'll do it for this rip. We did have an auto somewhere in here with the, I don't know where I set it, but overall, fun rip. Probably be doing another one of these next month in April when they come out. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, comment, and if you plan on buying these boom boxes, like I said, the link will be in the description, so you can go ahead and get on there and purchase it if you'd like. So thanks for watching. Until next time.